outside, is me. I have to make sure I say what they are. Which one we say we are going today?
Somewhere up Stony Hill going. Aaron's gonna make us do some skateboarding downhill.
Downhill. Make sure same no pop.
You have any knee pads?
Knee pads for what?
I'm in shots. I heard something precious skin.
Yo, outside that now. Where here and there? Why am I call and I think something there.
I'm there wait upon you for reach.
But I'm sure just staying in the car. I'm sure just staying in the car.
Call him right now.
Call him to know some of the air yet still.
New Kingston.
What going on New Kingston?
I can pick up my package there.
Your package. That's rich. That's rich.
I mean, we're all rich in our own way.
What you man ear? Bomba!
So come back. Have to go one more.
Y'all go for more?
Oh shit! Alright.
I'm gonna go for more.
What? AC unit? A monitor? Yo, man did it.
Oh what? Yo.
Man's did it. Yes sir?
Shee!
Can I put it in the trunk, G?
Oh shit.
Oh, we have another package here.
So what we got on the list today?
So, you know what I think said this should be a gimbal? I think that's a gimbal. Actually, what is this? You have a knife?
We're doing unboxing right now?
No. I need to check because I don't know what this is.
Use a fingernail.
That massive, simple thing.
You've got to be kidding me, dog. Just one small box?
Wow, so they must charge it from the weight, dog.
That two things in it, but bro, look at the box.
It's fucking, it's just this and a desk mat, dog.
Okay.
You can have a mess. Nice.
You know, say, preset, I the same camera bag, but it's not the version. No. I have the black one.
Oh, it's kind of smaller though.
No, I the same exact size. That's a different design. 1 month, yeah, wait for the one monitor there?
Well, basically like 3 months.
So 3 months?
3 weeks, sorry, 3 weeks.
Oh, come on, I wish what you ordered that from China? Which one are we going to?
Give me the address. Stony Hill.
Hermitage Road.
Hermitage Road. What? Hermitage?
I mean, Wensridge, Manor Park, I can direct you. I'm hungry still, isn't it?
Yeah, man, I'm hungry, but so, well,
you want food at Manor Park?
Yeah,
you have to turn back around. Okay, you can't turn away because that's a one way. So go in another place here and go back up the road here.
Alright. Up here. You know the problem.
That's great. Right? BwoyPedro, that's great.
Yeah, the Manor Park,
Oh, this pleasure.
Okay, so I'm gonna go down and back up.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
All the liquors, twigs and stuff.
It's too bright. Too bright. Still too bright. Bring this down just a bit. So we're up here, so just to skate. View nice still.
Okay, so Aaron just stand all the way down there. As Pedro just stated, the view is splendid.
View nice. Alright. Look out. What's this? See, that's yeah, man. Yo, sending the drone all the way out there, so. Supposed to be a vibe, dog.
How far down should I fly it?
No, depends on you. No, you're the pilot. Depends on how far you want to fly.
Yo, I'm sorry, if you can climb back up this hill, innit?
I'm not fucking that.
I said fly a drone in the meantime.
Well, we'll find out what we do first.
Cause it'd be cool if I could just follow him inside, you know, the road. If he could go fast, it'd be cool.
That's if him can go fast.
Yeah, unless maybe we should drive down the road more. Word.
To see him. Alright, so the umbrella make come all the way past just to skid. So I'm you can do no bro.
Yeah, the man.
So here we're going to put the GoPro mount the GoPro, make it can't, well, I'm not going to mount the GoPro plane, I'm just have make it have the stick because I got a longer stick for the GoPro.
Okay, you did?
Yeah. So it can work out better that way then.
Yo, the man's scared a while again. Yeah, I mean, you can.
So
what you could do if I were you, I'll fly parallel. Catch him. Fly inside.
So the man bad on the skating?
No. Fly outside and trap me. You get it? Fly it outside and track me through the woods. You know that.
Yeah, I need a skateboard.
That shot with
$28,000.
with what?
Skateboard. That's what they're telling me at the skate shop. $28,000 for a fully decked skateboard.
I mean, it'll be a good one, but
28,000. Just dash your 28,000 as well for this skateboard here.
You have fun.
I spent 10 grand.
10 grand on this. In Jamaica?
yeah, what?
Like brand new?
Fucking 10 grand US.
Is it brand new?
Dog, I have to go beep
So I
out
gotta buy,
everything.
I have to
man.
go buy like a second hand skateboard.
Bro, it's not, and that works fine. Things that just change the bearings.
Mm.
Like John,
You know, so I do don't play myself.
Do that. You're the drone. Nice, dog.
I actually want to replace this
Oh.
and it just scratch up. Just like things neat.
Dog.
And there's
Just
a
what
dent
you
in it. So.
Just give me 5 bills. I'm leaving.
You're the man about soft. 5 bills.
Talking about that. You know, say I did change out the antenna on the drone.
The Mavic Air?
Yeah, but thing is, I still have to like tune it out a bit. Because
Mate,
after so long.
if you work for CSI or them people,
Hey, the
you know,
man bought
you
CSI.
Man, pull parts, everything.
man pull on everything.
Yeah, so I definitely cancel that drone again. Never. Because the things I do with it, cancel. The one thing.
Yo, most wish say more and more people like that just team up and just shoot things dog.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm realize say yo, the market.
To be honest, bro, it's like a competition, you know.
Yeah, but man, when I need to compete, against each other.
Like that. Either way, look on it in your head.
Then
You're gonna take away people clients, basically.
Yeah, but no, it's not even a matter of the people client. It's just a matter of just go out and shoot.
I would love to do that. It's just we have to be more open-minded about it.
Yeah. Let's go out and shoot. Good, always good for team up. And I wish more people would just team up and just say, yo, I gotta just shoot this. There's no real competition like who's better than who or anything like that. Just go out and shoot.
Have fun shooting.
Always have fun shooting.
You see me?
Always. You know, no farther money I come from, all the way out Westmoreland. No farther than that.
Yeah, just doing this journey on a whim and hitting up whoever have time.
You see me? That's the thing that I must have not have time. I'm trying to lie, and everybody have time, but yo, might as well just try and create content, you see me? Because never have an idea what I'm going to do, like, what I'm going to even name the vlog, yeah, dog.
Yeah, and that just put us on a standstill and just kind of
You see me?
not good.
Or just come up way up the mountains.
We're going to go all the way down the hill, though.
Huh? You got?
You probably got all the way down the hill.
No, so I'm not walking down this today. There with my earring for forward back.
Aaron! Oh, yeah.
I'm about.
Yeah.
As I say, guys, just always try collab with people, you see me? Well, I say the market are kind of set away. It's really set away. Wish it can change. Enough people are really into the collabs, I can see. But you know me hate when people say, yo, bro, why you never show me? Me hate that, you know?
Me hate it too.
Me hate that, yo, me hate that.
Yeah. No, show me.
Why you never show me? And yes, when you finally show them,
Them now no time.
them now no time.
None.
It's crazy. Here and just a comeback. How far you go?
There's an open spot.
Alright, somebody at the back of the car was supposed to record here and meanwhile he must skate.
I'm trying to get the selfie.
Oh, him there?
I'm trying to get that selfie.
I'm gonna try to get that selfie. So we'll try to get this, we'll try to do it for the shot. Alright, Aaron, where they? You? You ready? Where you doing this up? Where am I doing this up?
Wait.
Want to go in the corner?
Wait, it's going on the side, he's on the left side. Alright.
Oh shit.
Yeah, control the pace a little bit.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey, no, man, the pace is good, man, the pace is good.
Yeah, it's right, The man even not move. The man not even moving.
Ready?
What's the one?
Bro,
Bro, the man there wacky dip dog on the skateboard. Kick off.
That's video good for me, though. Yeah, that's video good for me.
Watch him. Bomb that man on a stoop. Your car, pull over.
So come up back the hill because we're gonna go back down the hill, but this time Christoph is going to be driving. Skating, I should say.
That's me calling someone now.
Alright, so yeah, you skate, go back down. Yeah, Christoph, we have to skate, go down now.
Yeah, I want to try it right here.
Alright, so we're gonna test out that spot here. Go down. Is it ready?
I am a novice at skating, by the way. So if I fall, don't laugh. You know? But yo, one day you'll see me just at the skate park, mashing it up.
Alright.
You want one skateboard, right?
Yeah, but skateboard them cost enough money to have.
3,000, yeah, man. You gotta dig for the hobby, man.
Hobbies, man, say hobby. My, but the phone did a ring inside the car. You want to look for the iPhone 6. I don't know why I do that. You want to look for the iPhone 6.
Yo, you're easy now? The 6S.
Alright.
No, it's a fire generation, the dog. Alright, so Christopher go skate down this now. So you want the car? You want the GoPro? Or not yet?
No, not yet, because I need my hands to be free.
First.
And get this nice gist of it.
Have to use my Fuji camera.
Wait. They said the cool rich nigga style.
That's what y'all state, man. I didn't put that name on myself.
Just said it's all right.
Y'all did it. You see me? Alright, ready?
What?
Jesus.
That makes me Spanish?
Alright.
Jesus. Exactly. I told you.
But him good. Him not drop.
The man must follow again. You never see mouse.
But him not drop. Almost different from drop. Yeah.
Probably the shoes outside.
The shoes. I guess it's on bad mind.
Huh?
I shouldn't really be skating.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes I shouldn't be skating.
Oh.
Because the shoes too big.
Alright, so you ready now?
Whoa. My board. Like I'm not stop.
So we don't do that to our boards?
No, you don't. You don't. You just put on brake. Don't match your boards.
Because then I ever have to go like this.
Yeah. But watch now, something going to have to mash up. Either your shoes or the board. Something going to have to mash up.
Yeah, eventually it will
When
rub
you're
down.
skating,
So
either
then
your
I-
shoes or your board.
So then I have nothing
When I be
for
gone.
boards like that.
Yeah.
Do they
Yes.
create some stuff for
Yeah,
that?
classes.
So why when I get that?
I say classes.
And you're breaking it up.
I don't even know what to do that.
What? No Sony shoot with.
Yeah. Yeah, put some bursting.
Dog, I love the 35 man, my youth. Fuck.
Probably, I'm going to go look further. Ready? Come right here. Like, we're Pedro.
Put the punch.
Pull up your pants, boy. Think I prison this?
No, watch that.
Yo.
Ready?
Take some landscape if you want. No, it's fine.
Did it?
Yo.
Man on fire.
Oh shit.
Your mama's drop? Hold on, look.
Come skating up now. Alright, for the picture I guess. Look forward.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you get up? No.
I mean,
His
when you go back home,
film internet is so slow, it's crazy.
bro, it took me 2 hours this morning to send off 1 gig to a client.
Try again.
2 hours.
1 gig to a client.
Three,
Yo,
two.
1 second off. Your point to me.
3.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often.